Exercise number 12.1, sum number 8. Maximize and minimize z is equal to x plus 2y subject to constraints are x plus 2y greater than or equal to 100, 2x minus y less than or equal to 0, 2x plus y less than or equal to 200 and x comma y greater than or equal to 0. Solution. First to maximize or minimize. And is maximize z is equal to x plus 2y subject to x plus 2y greater than or equal to 100 and 2x minus y less than or equal to 0, 2x plus y less than or equal to 200 and x comma y greater than or equal to 0. First draw the graph of the line x plus 2y equal to 100. This line not passing through origin, so putting x and y separately 0. X, y, first x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 50, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 100. Now putting 0, 0 in the inequality, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 100. Now 0 plus 2 into 0 greater than or equal to 100, which implies 0 greater than or equal to 100 is not true. Therefore, the half plane is away from the origin. The origin not contain the visible region. Next, draw the graph of 2x minus y equal to 0. This is passing through origin, so if you are putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and also put y is equal to 0, x will be 0. So first putting x is equal to 0 and give one more value of x. Here x, y, put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. X is equal to 25 or 20, x is equal to 20, then y is equal to 40. Now putting 0, 0 in the inequality, two x minus y less than or equal to 0. 2 into 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 0. Here 0 less than or equal to 0, so we cannot come the conclusions. So take another one point, any one of the in the axis. So putting 20, 0 is a point on the x-axis. 20, 0 in the inequality. 2x minus y less than or equal to 0. Here 2 into 20 minus 10, 0 less than or equal to 0, which implies 40 less than or equal to 0. Not true. Therefore, the half plane is away from the point 20 comma 0 is away from the point 20 comma 0. Now draw the graph of the line. Draw the graph of the line. 2x plus y less than or equal to 200. So equal to 200. X, y. Put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 200. If y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 100. Now putting 0 comma 0 in the inequality, 2x plus y less than or equal to 200. Now 2 into 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 200, which implies 0 less than or equal to 200 is true. Therefore, the half plane is towards the origin. And since x greater than or equal to 0, comma y greater than or equal to 0, the feasible region lies in the first quadrant. Now find the point of intersection of the lines. Before, draw the graph. Which of the point of intersections are needed? So after draw the graph, we find out what are the point of intersections are needed. Here the maximum point is 0 comma y coordinate is 200 and x coordinate is 100. So taken 1 square your centimeter equal to 20 units. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220. Here also 20, 40 and 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 and 160, 180, 200. The first point 0 comma 50. First line is line 2u x plus 2y is equal to 100. Here the point 0 comma 50. 0 comma 50 here. This is 0 comma 50 and the point 100 comma 0. 100 comma 0. Join these 2 points getting one line. The name of the line x plus 2y equal to 100. Here the half plane is away from the origin, so this side having the visible region. Next line 0 comma 0 was one of the point and 20 comma 40 is another one point. 20 comma 40. The name of the line 2x minus y equal to 0. And next line points of the next line 0 comma 200, 0 comma 200 and 100 comma 0. These are the points. Now the point of intersections. Join these 2 points. or here the solution region is this half line. For this line the solution regions away from the point 20, 0. So this side. So the common regions. It's a common region. So this is feasible regions. Now give the name of the corner points. This is A, B, C, D of 0, 200. Find these 2 points. B is the point of intersection of the line x plus 2y equal to 100 and 2x minus y equal to 0. Now C is the point of intersection of 2x minus y equal to 0 and 2x plus y equal to 0, 200. 2x plus y is equal to 200. Now solve. 2x minus y equal to 0 and 2x plus y equal to 200. Adding 4x is equal to 200, which implies x is equal to 50. Put x is equal to 50 in 2x minus y is equal to 0. 100 is equal to y. Therefore C is 50, 100. And next point D, B. B is the point of intersection of x plus 2y is equal to 100 and 2x minus y is equal to 0. Now this one multiplied by 2. So 4x minus 2y is equal to 0. Here x plus 2y is equal to 100. Now adding 5x is equal to 100, which implies x is equal to 20. Put x is equal to 20 in 2x minus y is equal to 0. 40 is equal to y. Therefore B is 40, 20. 20, 40. Therefore the visible region A, B, C, D, A. The corner points are A of 0, 50, B of 20, 40, C of 50, 100 and D of 0, 200. Now find the z value of these corner points. Here corner points here z value, z is equal to x plus 2y. A of 0, 50, here z is equal to 0 plus 100 equal to 100, and B of 20, 40 is equal to 20 plus 2 into 40 equal to 100, and C of 50, 100 z is equal to 50 plus 2 into 100, 250. D of 0 comma 200 z is equal to 0 plus 2 into 200 equal to 400. Now this is the minimum value, minimum, this is a maximum. Therefore the minimum value of z is 100 at the points A of 0 comma 50 and B of 20 comma 40, and the maximum value of z is 400 at the point D of 0 comma 200.